Okay, let's continue with the face. So as I said, it's a delicate matter to draw the face because you can get a lot of trouble if you don't do that carefully. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to make the eye look directly at you. Okay, so I'm going to using the like highlight this. Okay, this will be like look directly at you. More fine-tuned below, okay, and then I'm making it a little bit bigger. Then the hair, the head. The sketch is too messy, and I don't want that. This is like a pixel. It's like a got magic power. I don't want the magic creature got too messy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just add a little bit. While you are doing this, by the way, while you are doing this, you decrease the um, underneath layer. Okay, so got this line, make it. I'm not using some fancy brush. I just use the just the brush. Okay, just the brush. Just a normal brush. Okay, this lighting. Yeah. So here. Yeah. What about the air? The air. Let me just get some lighted color. Something light. Okay. Remember, I stick with the color palette here. So nothing color. Okay. We can always add color later. Okay. So I'm going to use some bright to paint over it to some sort of get rid of some sort of things, if you know what I mean. So instead of using eraser, because if you use eraser that will be too much, so I just use this to quickly paint over things. Okay, the neck, think about the neck, the eye. Okay, so for example, if you look here, I want to change the color, it's not like the brightness of the eye. I'm going to zoom in, okay? I'm going to just get this part of the eye not so dark. I'll paint over it. Remember, everything I do is like a quick traditionally, okay? Like you're doing everything traditionally. If I like hide the rest of it, it's just digitally and traditionally. You can mix them together. Sometimes you can even, make it, combine them together because I already rasterize it. Okay, so let's add a little bit eyelashes. Okay, let me just make it. I think I can just add a little bit eyelashes here and there. I think I can use it like a pencil brush for this because that will be fun to draw digitally, but it's traditional, if you don't know what I mean. So yeah, adding a little bit. Maybe that's too much. That's too much. Definitely too much. I'm going to like smudge it a little bit later. Right now okay, I'm going to do something interesting. Okay, what about I'm going to do something risky. So here is the thing. I'm going to make this group together, okay? New group from layers, okay? I'm making a group, and I'm going to duplicate this group, okay? Duplicate the group, and I'm going to hide the group, and I'm going to flat this, okay? I'm going to merge the group, okay? We become one layer, so just drawing digitally, but on a traditional media. Okay, I want to quickly experiment and just play around things a little bit. Okay, if you look at the mouse, this is just too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do something crazy. Okay, get the color here, and I just paint over it, so I can sort of erase. You know what I mean? Like add a little bit opacity. Okay, the opacity. Okay, I'm going to be more. Okay, let's look at here. Where is it? Why I'm not like painting over smoothness? Am I using the right brush? Because why it's not working? It's okay. I'm going to use something crazy like a red. Okay, that's because of the opacity. Okay, it's a darker mode. Oh my gosh, what I'm doing here? So yeah, that's the reason I feel a little bit weird when I do things. Well, that's much better. That's much better. So I can using a little bit lower opacity. So basically, I want to quickly the nose. What happened to the nose? Just using color pick and right, color pick this. We can quickly get rid of this. Let me just increase. So instead, this is my personal preference. Okay, instead of just using eraser, because using eraser is pretty risky. You got like erase things, and it would just like become a hole, if you know what I mean. Become a hole, and I don't want that. So here become too messy. So I'm going to get the backside media, okay, and make this texture. Ooh, that's too much. What about I use a more texture brush? What about watercolor brush? Okay, I'm going to play around a little bit. Real watercolor, eraser edge. What about real watercolor? Let's try this one, just for fun. Ooh, that's too much. What about I choose dry media brush? What about dry media? Pencil, charcoal pencil. Let's do the charcoal pencil. Just for fun. What about like a digital charcoal? Okay, that's too much. Pencil hard, chunky charcoal. Yeah, let's use this one. Okay. Just to add a little bit texture, I think. Just add a little bit texture. I don't want to become too perfect, if you know what I mean. I don't want to be too perfect while I'm creating things. Okay, a little bit too dry, I think. This one, okay. And make the opacity a little bit lower so you can and eyebrow a little bit too imperfect. So what I'm doing is to a little bit too sketchy. So I'm just add a little bit thing here. And the nose, a little bit nose here. Sketch the face. I'm going to use a little bit intermediate. Just paint over it, become like shadow area is not good enough. I want to like a smudge things to make a good blending, but later. Yeah, the eye, I want to make this part brighter, so I'm going to get this, make it smaller, and make some tiny like curve, just to get, because the pupils is much more rounded. Okay, this is bad, so I'm going to get mainly here. Color, make it darker. Okay, make it more like a focus on you. Okay, more focus on you. And yeah, the make some of the here. Okay, that's the wrong color. Sorry, it's wrong color. Okay. Yeah, so like kind of looking at you. So what about the whole here? Here should go all the way down. And this should be like a bright spot. A little bit feeling of the back. So let's think about this. This should be go darker. Should darker, 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 darker. This I can put like a bone here. Yeah.